Johan's Water Resources Goan Sip was launched with much fanfare early this month. The excitement around this launch and product was something which many could not skip.
Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Goan Sip,
Johan's Water Resources brings to you Goan Sip, Goa's finest premium packaged drinking water.
A new entrant in the packaged drinking water segment, it is surely making waves around with its attention to detail and quality. It is destined to be the tsunami for its competition. Let us have a look at the launch event and talk to some of the prominent people present on what they have to say about the brand.
Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Goan Sip,
Everybody put your hands together for Goa's Nightingale.
Thank you. Thank you.
त्याचो कुरपेचो हात सदांकाळ ह्या उदकाची फॅक्टरीचेर आसूं आनी हे सगळे आमच्या हांव एकठांय करून जेजून शिकयले मागणी बरोबर म्हणुया. आमच्या बापा सर्गीच्या तुजें नांव पवित्र जावं, तुजें रायज आमकां येवं, तुजी कशी सगळ्या जाता तशी संवसारांत जावं. आमचो दिसपटो रायज आयज आमकां दी आनी आमी आमचे चुकलेले आमकां शिकता तशी आमची पातकां घस आनी आमकां ताणीत पडूंक दिनाका पूण वायटांतली आमकां मेळा. प्रार्थुया. आनी सर पदवीदार दिवपाक आनी पवित्र आत्मो हे फॅक्टरीचेर आनी आम्हा समेस्तांचेर आशिर्वाद घालूं.
उदक लॉन्च करपाक कारण कितें तर दे हॅड सीन दॅट लॉट ऑफ वॉटर हे पॅकेज ड्रिंकींग वॉटर जे आहा पळय ते भायल्यान गोंयच्यान हाडपाक पडटाले तेणे ह्या धर्तरेचें उदक ह्या एरियेचें उदक तुमकां क्लीन करून तुमच्या समोर हाडटा तो थॉट तेंचो. सो आनीक तांकां एक्सपोजर आसा कितें ह्या पाणी उदकाक खूब डिमांड आहा. सो दे वील बी एन्श्युरींग एंड ही सेड नाव यू मस्ट बी ऑल्सो सीइंग दॅट फादराक सुद्दां ताणें मास्क दिलें घालपाक. So nobody is allowed to enter in this premises without any safety norms. So they are meticulously following. I respect. I had seen so many factories. This is one of the class art, state of art factory.
अशें म्हणटात की फुडलें खंय वर्ल्ड वॉर जें जातलें वील बी ओवर वॉटर. सो गोंयकार म्हणटा तो तयार आसपाक जाय आनी गोंयकार एक गोवन आंतरप्रिन्युअर फुडें सरून गोवन सिप म्हणून जो आज उदक तांणी इनॉग्रेट केलां आनी लॉर्नाच्या हातान इनॉग्रेट केलां. हें म्हाका खात्री आहा की हें एक बरो प्रॉडक्ट आसतलो जो नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल कॉम्पिटिशनाक टक्कर दिवपाक शकतलो. एक गोंयकार म्हणून बाब रॉड्रिग्जाक आनी बाय बॅटीक हांव परबी दितां मागतां की सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी गोंयचे प्रोडक्ट एंडोर्स करचे सो दॅट वेन यू सीप वॉटर इन गोवा or when you sip a drink with water in Goa, it should be by a Goan, of the Goan, for the Goan.
It's a very proud and memorable moment to launch it at the hands of our Goan Nightingale Lorna. I wish Johan Water Resources all the very best in their future ventures and endeavors, because as promised, this I feel is one of the best state-of-art venture, which is going to be really the mineral water of the future.
I congratulate Santu and his wife Betty. I wish them all the best. And I know from my heart that it's going to be a success, and all of us are going to drink Goan Sip.
Goan Sip, Goan Sip.
The brand boasts of a tagline truly Goan with the taste of Goa, and who better than Lorna, fondly called as the Nightingale of Goa, is the face of the brand. Lorna has entertained Goans for years, and her voice is evergreen and refreshing, just like Goan Sip.
My heartiest congratulations to my dearest friend Betty and Saturnino Rodriguez for the launch of Goan Sip. My heartiest congratulations also go out to the whole team that have made this possible. Wishing them all a huge success for the launch of Goan Sip, Deo Bore Koru.
The journey of Goan Sip starts from a simple passion and commitment to give the best to relinquish your thirst. While the world talks of women empowerment at large, here at the helms of affair is Betty Rodriguez, MD of Goan Sip, managing the brand.
I am Betty Rodriguez, the owner of this establishment, Johan's Water Resources. At Johan's Water Resources, we guarantee you quality above all international level. We are here to serve you. Water is life, and we provide support to life. Goan Sip is the brand of the future. We will always ensure the best of quality and maintain hygiene.
Continuing our quality control, let us now meet the person who is an inspiration, or rather a guiding star behind the company and brand at large. Saturnino Rodriguez, better half of the women in charge, Betty Rodriguez, has always been her support system, as well as stood strong in her journey of Goan Sip. Let us know his thoughts on the venture and what makes Goan Sip different from others.
My name is Saturnino Rodriguez. I'm the husband of Betty Rodriguez, who owns this Goan Sip. I'm proud to be here as a technical support. I'm not a part of this plant, but I'm just providing them consultancy and support to maintain the plant. Goan Sip is processed under a watchful eye of quality controllers. Goan Sip factory is one of the best factory, I would say, in Goa, because we maintain the top quality and standards. Goan Sip factory is a fully stainless steel 316 plant. We have got the best of the equipments, we have got the best of the laboratories, we have got the best of the staff. Goan Sip is one of the best brand we have produced till date in Goa, and we maintain the best hygiene. We assure you that Goan Sip will be the top quality water of the Goans. Goan Sip will be your brand Goan Sip is my brand and Goan Sip will be one of the best brand.
One thing that sets Goan Sip apart is their attention to detail and priority for quality. The plant is a full-fledged micro and chemical lab which is managed by the best from the industry.
I am Gladria Fernandez, the quality controller at Johan's Water Resources, Goan Sip. I have a good experience in water treatment. On a daily basis, I check and maintain each and every parameter of water to ensure that our water meets the highest quality standards and that Goan Sip is the best in the market. Goan Sip is and will always remain the water of the future of the masses.
The production of the plant is looked after by people who have been part of packaged drinking water industry for a considerable time. Chirag Vachani has tremendous experience in handling plant operations and has an eye for detail. Let us know more on his experience.
मेरा नाम चिराग वाचानी है। मैं गुजरात से बिलोंग करता हूँ, फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद से। मैं लास्ट 7 ईयर से ये लाइन से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, मिनरल वाटर प्लांट से। और मैं अभी फ़िलहाल लास्ट 8 मंथ से यहाँ पे जॉन्स वाटर रिसोर्सेज में काम कर रहा हूँ। तो मेरा यहाँ पे काम ये है कि मैं पानी प्रोड्यूस करता हूँ, बेस्ट पानी बेस्ट क्वालिटी के साथ, ठीक है। और मेरा मकसद यही है कि आप तक अच्छा पानी और स्वच्छ पानी आप तक पहुँचे। तो यही मैं यहाँ काम करता हूँ।
Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Goan Sip, Vienna Sona.
Johan's Water Resources brings to you Goan Sip, Goa's finest premium packaged drinking water, bottled at the source, untouched and pure.
It's not always that you get to check the plant and confirm the truth, so we decided to check the claims made by the company. The plant is indeed a state-of-the-art affair. Everyone who enters himself has to go through checks and measures. Every visitor enters in a special compartment where he has to wash his hands properly and wear a mask and disposable stretch caps covering his hair along with coat. Once ready, the visitor is allowed to enter the heart of the plant where the action happens. The floor is equipped with raw materials and spares needed for the next 6 to 12 months. Most important aspect of any packaged drinking water plant is the micro and chemical lab. As we have seen earlier, the company pays utmost attention to this aspect, where water is treated regularly by the quality controller. It further is processed in the state of the art and the latest machineries available in India of highest standard. The entire facility is kept at its best. The next section we take a look is the bottling machine. Staff working here are medically fit and tested for all the medical parameters adhered to the industry standards. Here staff stacks the bottle one by one and it heads where it's rinsed and washed. It further moves to the filling section where it's capped firmly. The final bottled water is checked by the quality controller before it's passed on the conveyor belt to be branded and packaged. The ready sets of bottles are moved from the conveyor belt to the stock holding room to be transported to the retail points. It may be noted that the transport facility are not open ones. They are designed in order to avoid any contact with direct sunlight. The promise of delivering the best quality of packaged drinking water is maintained at every stage. Johan's Water Resources Goan Sip also produces its own bottle ranging from 1 liter, 500 ml and 200 ml. The process of making these bottles is done by skillful labor in-house with the help of the molds. So now that you've seen the entire process, so if you want to enjoy the untouched and refreshing Goan Sip from Johan's Water Resources, get in touch now.
Hello, my name is Jason DeCosta and I'm the Plant and Operations Manager for Johan's Water Resources. Being a part of the Goan Sip family headed by Mrs. Betty Rodriguez, a woman entrepreneur who wants to bring the best quality to all. We deliver the best premium packaged drinking water.
I'm Michelle Fernandez, the Head of Marketing from Johan's Water Resources, the Goan Sip. I'm here to deliver at your best. We deliver quality. We are here to reach to you at every knobs and corner of Goa. We deliver premium and quality at every reasonable rate. I'm here to serve you.
For every brand to be successful, the people working should be passionate of what they are doing. No doubt Johan's Water Resources Goan Sip is setting new benchmark in delivering quality and making a product class apart. To know more, visit Johan's Water Resources 94/1 plot number 25/07 Gaundalim near Sarao Rice Mill, Golwa, Betalbati Road, Golwa, Salset. You can also mail us on marketing@johanswaterresources.com or for details call 777-00-80104 for sales and marketing. You can also visit our website on www.johanswaterresources.com.
Rawong Dynamo Jan Piena Stana. Go and sip, go and sip, go and sip, go and sip. Piena Stana.
Johan's Water Resources brings to you Goan Sip, Goa's finest premium packaged drinking water, bottled at the source, untouched and pure.
Go and sip, go and sip.